Our goal today is to extract files and images from our SketchUp file. Two images. One is called an ISO view or a bird's eye view, and then the second one is the side view to allow the audience to see all the different parts you have created. You will also name the different parts and changing my name to your name. So let's start there. Let's go ahead and load our SketchUp file. And your SketchUp file will look like this. The first step is to get the bird's eye view or isometric view. To get that view, you go to Camera, Standard View, and then one called ISO view. ISO is short for isometric. So I'm going to zoom in real quick. And what you want to think about is when you zoom in is whatever you see on the screen is what you're going to be downloading. So if your screen looked like this is just not acceptable. Or if your screen looked like this, it's cut off and you don't want that either. You want to maximize the view by zooming in and capturing everything perfectly in the center of your screen. Once you have that set up, you go to File, Export, 2D Graphic, and then here what you want to think about are the different names. So this is going to be called ISO. So I know what it is. And then the next one, you want to change it to desktop to make sure you know where the file will be going. And then the format you want is JPEG. JPG is the one we want to start now. When you click on export, it will download to the desktop. The next view you want is going to be the side view. So same concept, click on view, camera, standard view. Let's go to the right side now. And you're going to be able to see an image that looks like this. So whether or not you choose to be the right side, or you can choose the left side. So both sides will work just fine, just like that. So let's say I want this view here. Let's go through the process one more time. File, export, 2D graphic. Name this as left view. And then you want to make sure you save to the desktop and change the format to JPEG, JPG, press export. Now we have two images and it will be sitting in our desktop. So let's minimize everything else. And the two images will be sitting here. You will have one here and one here. There's our images. What you want to do now is to replace the images that are on here with the one you have downloaded. So you're going to click on once, right click, and then you're going to go ahead and put replace image and say upload from computer. For you, you go to download and you're going to be able to find your file fairly simple because you only have those two images on the desktop. For me, I have so many different things. I'm going to just drag that over for the first one. And this one is not the right one, so I'm going to grab the next one over. Let's drag that one over here. Okay, that's the one I want. I'm going to press upload. And since this is the image I already have, so it won't change, but yours will change just a little bit. This one here will be different. I'm going to right click, go to replace image from computer. And I'm going to go ahead to do the same thing. I'm going to drag this one over and just say upload. Of course, my image doesn't change very much, but yours will. Notice how mine got cropped off a little bit. If you want to change that, simply double click and you can maximize that view by dragging it down and you're going to be able to capture the two view. The last part is to change the name of each of the part, and you should know what the answer of this is. It is in the quiz for this last week. With that being said, once you're done, press turn in.